In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan Affairs, January 2023. What is the rank of Pakistan in Corruption Perception Index 2022? 140. Which of the following claimed responsibility of Peshawar Mosque blast in January 2023? TTP. Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. Former Director General of Intelligence Bureau Masood Sharif Khattak died on which date? 29 January 2023. Pervez Elahi won confidence vote by securing dash votes in Punjab Assembly. 186. Which political party won most seats in local government polls held on 15 January 2023? PPP, Pakistan People Party. What is the current SBB interest rate in Pakistan? 17%. Who is the current Inspector General IG of Punjab Police? Usman Anwar. Which of the following is the current Chief Minister of Punjab? Syed Mohsin Raza Naqvi. Who represented Pakistan in Council of Ministers of Economic Cooperation Organization 2023? Bilal Bhutto Zardari. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly stood dissolved on which date? 18th January 2023. Which of the following current Chief Minister of KPK? Azam Khan. Who is the currency Chief Secretary Punjab? Akhtar Zaman. Who is the current Chief Selector of Pakistan cricket team? Harun Rashid. Foreign Minister Bilal Bhutto visited Dash on 29 January 2023, Russia. Future Fest 2023, largest state conference of Pakistan held in the city, Lahore. When is right to self-determination of Kashmir observed? 5 January. Kashmiris observe right to self-determination day on 5 January. Former President, Supreme Court Bar Association Abdul Latif Afridi killed on which date? 16 January 2023. Pakistan's first electric bus service launched in the city of Karachi. On 13 January 2023, Sindh government launched the first ever electric bus service of the country in Karachi to facilitate the people. Which death anniversary of Arfa Karim observed on 14th January 2023? 11th. Afra Cream became the youngest Microsoft certified professional in 2004. Afra Cream died on 14th January 2012. Pakistan's affairs. February 2023. With addition of joint military exercise held between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan in 2023. Fourth, what is the rank of Pakistan in Global Firepower Index 2023? Seventh, the current Attorney General of Pakistan is Shehzad Ata Ilahi. Barrister Shehzad Ata Ilahi, a young lawyer from Lahore, was appointed the Attorney General for Pakistan on 2 February 2023. Former dictator General retired Pervez Musharraf passes away on which date? 5 February 2023. Pakistan's first women-only bus service launched in the city of Karachi. Naseem Shah conferred honorary Deputy Superintendent of Police (DSP) rank in the province of Balochistan. Poet Amjad Islam Amjad passed away on which date? 10th February 2023. Current IG KPK Akhtar Hayat. Internationally renowned artist Zia Muhyiddin died on which date? 13th February 2023. In February 2023, first ever Girls Literary Festival held in North Waziristan. Held February 12 to 17, 2023. According to WB report, COVID-19 pandemic created idle youth in Pakistan, 1.6 million. A World Bank report on the impact of COVID-19 on South Asia's youth says the pandemic has created 1.6 million additional idle youth in Pakistan. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks.